Unlock the full potential of your Nikon D5600 by easily connecting it to your PC for seamless photo transfers, remote shooting, and even webcam capabilities. First, let's gather what you'll need. You'll require your Nikon D5600 camera, its original USB cable, and of course, your personal computer. Take the smaller end of your USB cable, which has a unique shape, and carefully plug it into the designated USB port on your Nikon D5600. You'll find this port usually under a protective flap on the side of the camera. Now, with the other end of the USB cable, the standard USB-A tied, firmly insert it into an available USB port on your computer, whether it's a desktop or a laptop. Any working USB port will do. Once plugged in, your computer should automatically recognize the camera. You might see a notification pop up, often in the bottom right corner of your screen, indicating that a new device has been connected. To begin transferring your precious photos and videos, open up File Explorer on your PC. You should see your Nikon D5600 listed under this PC, or as a portable device. Click on it to access your camera storage. Inside, you'll typically find a folder named DCIM, which is where your images and videos are stored. You can then copy and paste these files directly to your computer's hard drive for backup or editing. For more advanced features like remote shooting and controlled adjustments, you'll want to download and install Nikon's official software, often called Nikon Camera Control or similar. You can usually find this on Nikon's support website by searching for your D5600 model. After installation, launch the software, and it should automatically detect your connected D5600. You'll then have access to a live view feed from your camera, allowing you to adjust settings, trigger the shutter remotely, and much more, all from your PC. And that's it. Your Nikon D5600 is now connected, ready to help you manage your photography workflow and explore new creative possibilities.